Tinnitus. Introduction. Please point to the tympanic membrane. Choose one of the following options. Correct. This is the tympanic membrane, or the eardrum. Sound changes to electrical signals in which of the following parts of the ear? Choose one of the following options. 1. The outer ear. 2. The middle ear. 3. The inner ear. Correct. The inner ear converts sound vibrations to electrical signals. People with severe cases of tinnitus may find it difficult to hear, work, or even sleep. Select true or false. Correct. People with age-related hearing loss are more likely to have tinnitus. Select true or false. Correct. Doctors and scientists have discovered that people with hearing loss may also have tinnitus. Exposure to too much loud noise can cause hearing loss and tinnitus. Select true or false. Correct. Very loud noise can cause damage to hearing cells, causing them to send electrical signals without receiving sound vibrations. Tinnitus can be caused when a person hears his or her own blood flow. Select true or false. Correct. This is called objective tinnitus because the doctor can hear such blood movement using a special device. If you hear a temporary buzzing sound after listening to loud music, you should see a doctor. Select true or false. Correct. You should seek medical help if tinnitus does not go away. Thank you for using Explain.